Ready? Start. Although it is case of the respondent that it was he who got the land measured, the appellant contended that it was at his instance the land was measured. Stop. Though evidence is lacking to conclude this dispute either way, for the purpose of this case, we do not think it necessary to resolve this controversy for the reason that, irrespective of who got the land measured, fact remains that the land was measured and the parties are in agreement that on measurement the extent found was only 71.750 cents. Stop stanza. In other words, this shows that as a result of the measurement carried out on 16th March 2008, one of the conditions for performance of the agreement was satisfied. Stop. In so far as the title of the appellant is concerned, even the respondent plaintiff has no case that the appellant did not have title or that it was defective, and the question of handing over the title deeds arise only at the time of execution of the sale deed. Stop. This therefore means that no fault could have been attributed on the part of the appellant, and therefore the court could have granted a decree for specific performance of the agreement only if the respondent had satisfied the requirements of section 16 (c) of the Specific Relief Act. Stop. In so far as this aspect of the matter is concerned, the question is whether the respondent has proved his readiness and willingness to perform the agreement. Stop. After referring to various decisions of this court and of the High Court, the High Court proceeded to find that a finding of breach by the vendor in performing his obligations would not be sufficient for a court to decree specific performance. Stop. The breach by the defendant, in other words, would not absolve the plaintiff to allege and prove his readiness and willingness to perform his obligations under the contract. Stop. Readiness relates to financial capacity to pay consideration, whereas willingness relates to the state of mind. Stop. Following are the findings which we may refer to. While readiness indicates the fiscal capacity of the respondent to perform the agreement, willingness indicates his state of mind. Stop stanza. In so far as readiness is concerned, the further question that is required to be proved is whether readiness has been proved on the evidence available. Stop. We have already referred to paragraph 8 of the judgment and the oral evidence of PW1, which, to our mind, do not help the respondent plaintiff to prove his case of readiness or his capacity to perform the agreement. Stop. Over.